Welcome, everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to efficiently review lease agreements using DocuMine. Reviewing lease agreements manually can be tedious and time-consuming, requiring careful attention to identify key details from extensive documentation. That's where DocuMine comes in. DocuMine is an AI engine that eliminates the tedious task of manually searching through large volumes of documents. It allows you to ask specific questions to receive precise answers. DocuMine automatically suggests answers to your questions and provides references to the source. Lease agreements often include critical information that needs detailed investigation like start dates, termination clauses, maintenance responsibilities, and more. DocuMine simplifies the review process, helping you save time, maintain consistency, and ensure traceability. Let's get started. First, upload your lease agreement documents to the Data Snipper platform using the Import or Organize buttons. Next, open the Excel sheet where you want to write down your questions. In this tutorial, we have already listed down our questions. Click the DocuMine icon in the ribbon to open the DocuMine pane on the right side of your screen. Then, highlight the questions in the Excel sheet. Click Next. Next, select your lease agreement documents in the DocuMine pane and click Start. DocuMine will automatically search for answers to your highlighted questions. Once the process is complete, click Start Review to review the AI-generated answers in your Excel sheet. Each cell contains the answers DocuMine found, along with snips referencing the source document for easy verification. Review each answer carefully. If the answer is correct, click Approve to save it in the designated cell. Approved answers will turn into pink snips, confirming your review is complete. If the answer is incorrect, click Reject to discard it. If a cell is empty 90% of the time, the answer is not in the document. However, we still recommend checking the document to be sure. For more detailed reviews, you can use Focus Mode, which allows you to view one question and answer at a time while providing full context from the source document. In short, DocuMine makes reviewing lease agreements fast, reliable, and efficient. By automating searches and linking answers to their sources, you can focus on validating the most critical information. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!